set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me.
This is hard to engine. This modification was difficult. Pretty much it's from a Toyota Land Cruiser from the 98 to 07. I got it on eBay about 130. I don't know how much is it right now, but it was hard to make it fit. Other tools and everything will be in the video, what I use. But this video is supposed to be a DIY and it's not. It was too difficult to make a DIY, so it's only for entertainment purpose only.
Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Step up. I'm so gone, no I'm never turning back. I won't stop, I'ma fight until there's nothing left. It's so on, you're gonna be hurting bad. Cause I've been to hell and back. You don't wanna make me mad. I stay strong, you will never see me crack. And if you get in my way, you're gonna feel the wrath. Gotta say it to my face while he's looking back. Mirror breaks after math. When I hate, I attack. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Step up. Don't be scared.
I use to make the hoe. Sawzall, drill bits with his kit, small angle grinder. This is the hoe I made. I'm already deep in this project. Let's see how it turns out. Esta es la herramienta que usé para usar este hoyo. Hay diferentes maneras como hacer un hoyo. Escoge cuál te gusta más. Sawzall, drill bits, taladro, angle grinder y pues se ve cómo me sale. Estamos por un sueño, ¿verdad?
Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got